Escape cabin fever and join us back in nature as we launch our brand new nature walks. Join us on a beautiful 2-kilometre walk through our park with the opportunity of watching our elephants go about their day, all while continuing to practice social distancing. Stop and smell the flowers, or enjoy our herd of plain zebras who roam freely throughout the park. Take our nature quiz and see how many species of animals and plants you can identify along the way. Enjoy a breath of fresh air on a walk like no other in the garden.